Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and motherly figures. Let's start this morning. Originally, I wanted to go to lunch, but I changed my mind and now we're gonna go ahead and try to make it to like breakfast brunch. The place that we're going to now does not take reservations. Asia, they say in the written book of rules of Mother's Day, you have to be nice to mom. Okay. Our number, now we wait for it to be called so we can eat. Cameron. Boss Baby is in his true form here at the restaurant. He is turning up. He's tossing everything off the table. It's not going well. Got chocolate chip pancake. Mom wants a bundt cake, so we are getting a bundt cake. Thank you. Not the bundt cake.
Oh my God.